Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As we all know that inside this channel we used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, we can see this is our step index on 1 minute time frames, and this particular indicator is working on step index, boom and crash, and it's also working on all currency pair. So as we can see, our not reprint indicator arrow is on the chart, which is this particular green one and the red one. And also we have this second indicator, this powerful indicator that I call the major high and low. You can see this is the last major low, as we can see here, and this area is our last major high. So you can see from this particular one, you can see the indicator at this particular one that appear here, and we can see the second one here that appear on our last major low. So for us to use this perfect indicator to trade our not reprint indicator, you have to watch this video to the end for you to have an accurate result. So this is how we use it. So anytime you have our last major low, the next move is the what is the R is our not reprint indicator, and that is what you are going to be waiting for. For example, we have our last major low at this particular zone, and we can see our price that retrace back to this same level. So once it have this same level, then our entry for uptrend is going to starting from this particular arrow. Then we can trade successful for massive profits. You can see how massive this particular one go. You can see how massive it is before there's another breakdown in the trend. You can see, so we can see another one here. We can see our last major high here. Once it appear, our next move is going to be on the red candle, on the red signal, which is our not reprint indicator here. It's going to be our not reprint indicator, and you can see our next move is going to be this red signal, and we can see how we trade it on the on the massive downtrend until we have it here. So this is how this indicator works. So this indicator works massively. So let me show you more of this particular result. So we have another one here. We can see another one here. So once we have our confirmation for our last major low here, then we can easily go for what our uptrend. Our uptrend is what we are going to be waiting for, which is our green arrow. You can see here, and we can see it go massively here, pull down little bit, and we have another confirmation here for uptrend, for massive one uptrend. You can see how massive it is. So we have another one here. You can see another one here. So once you have another last major high, what you're going to be waiting for is our next arrow candle. You can see how massive it is. So let me show you guys on how this indicator also works on our boom 500. You can see we have our last major high at this particular level. So what we are going to be waiting for is our arrow candle, which is the red one, for downtrend. So immediately this particular red one appear, then you are going to go in for trade. Then you can see it will reverse little bit and give us another confirmation. This is the first confirmation, the second confirmation, and you can see how massive it is. You can see how massive it is. So currently now we have another lower and another major low at this particular level. And what we are going to be waiting for now is our green candle arrow, which is our not reprint, that will show up. Once it show, then we can easily go on a massive uptrend. So this is how this indicator works. You can see at this particular one also we have another one at this particular zone, and we can see that once it's starting the move, our entry level is going to be when this particular arrow candles appear, which is our not reprint. This is where we are going to be taking our trade on a massive trend. You can see it is very powerful. And the same thing happened here also. What we are going to be waiting for is our red arrow candle. You can see how massive it is. This is 5-minute time frames, guys. This is 5-minute time frame. So this indicator works massively. All what you need to do is to reach out to me on Telegram, and you are going to get access to this indicator. So join my Telegram group. Also, I also drop more signal on it. You can also join to follow up the signal, and also join the Telegram group and reach out to me so that you guys can get this indicator. But this indicator is not for free. It's not for free, guys. Thanks. See you guys in our next video.